As electrical vehicle production continues to increase year over year, so does the need for manufacturing solutions that fit this growing industry. Being a trusted automotive partner with experience in manufacturing and material handling, Banner is uniquely positioned to deliver solutions that incorporate sensors, connectivity, indication, safety, and more. Let's explore some of the challenges we're solving in the evolving electric vehicle industry. To build a vehicle battery pack, we start by building battery cells. First, the metal sheets that will become electrodes must be inspected for appropriate material thickness with high-precision laser sensors. When unrolled, material edges are aligned with fiber optic arrays, while leading-edge sensors confirm proper positioning. Ultrasonic or radar sensors monitor liquid material levels of anode or cathode slurries stored in tanks. When those slurries are spread onto the metal substrate, their thickness is tracked closely with high-precision laser sensors. Whether the cells being made are cylindrical, prismatic, or pouch style, you'll find Banner sensors for any specific calendaring, cutting, assembly, and electrolyte filling processes. Smart vehicles should be made in a smart factory, and that starts with easy access to actionable data. Banner's Snap Signal IIoT overlay network can be easily added to new or existing equipment to access multiple data sources without disturbing existing control systems. Use it, for instance, to predict failures on existing motors and gearboxes before they can happen. Or integrate existing sensors that count battery assemblies, which can then provide dashboard views of overall equipment effectiveness. The possibilities are endless. Once critical factory data is gathered, it can be sent to an HMI, SCADA system, or cloud platform, and alerts can be sent to notify staff of productivity changes or reliability issues, allowing further optimization of EV manufacturing processes. But even outside the factory, Banner supports electric vehicles through their charging stations. EV charging stations can incorporate Banner radar or magnetometer sensors for detecting when vehicles are present. This ensures maximum utilization of the infrastructure, which can include power-saving features when a charger is not in use or technology for communicating charger availability to nearby drivers. No matter where the electric vehicle industry takes us in the coming years, Banner plans to be there with new products and solutions to meet the industry's every need. To learn more about what Banner can do for you, visit bannerengineering.com.